Today we learn about Python variable names and how to assign multiple values to the variables. So just start. Click on New. Select Python 3. Click on Untitled and rename this file as Python variable names. Click on Rename. Give the heading Python variable names. Click on Markdown. First we will study how to assign variable names. So the first part, variable names can only contain characters from small a to z, capital A to Z, numbers from 0 to 9 and underscore. Second, variable name must start with a letter or the underscore. Third, variable names are case sensitive. Variable names are case sensitive. Next one, a variable name cannot be any of the Python keyword. These are the basic terms about the variable. We'll give the heading how to declare variable name. See some examples. Click on Markdown. So the first example is variable name always start with character. So here variable name is student and we will store string Raj. Now print same variable, write print student. So the output is Raj. Another way to define variable is with student underscore name. Underscore is allowed. Return another one. Print name is student underscore name. So the second way to define variable is student underscore name. Third way, we can start variable with underscore. So underscore student underscore name. We can define third variable as value Nita. Now we have to print same variable underscore student underscore name. Now print it. So third variable should be start with underscore Now take one more variable that start with number. Now we should print this 3 student. Just print it. Now it shows error, okay, because variable never start with number. So our syntax is invalid syntax. Now the next point that we will study about different case variables. Case variables. There are 3 different types. First one is camel case variable. Second one is Pascal case variable. And third one is snake case variable. We'll see all 3 with one example. So the first one is camel case variable. What it means? Here, whenever you want to define variable, each word except the first starts with a capital letter. Example, an example we'll take, my name is. My name is Neeta. Now you can see first word is my, start with small letter. Second word is name, start with capital letter. Third word is, start with capital letter. So this is called as camel case variable. Now print variable and observe result. My name is, the result is Neeta. Second one is Pascal case variable. What it means? Each word in variable starts with capital letter. Take one example. My name is. We'll take same Neeta. So here my start with capital M, name start with capital N, and is start with capital I. Now print same statement. Print my name is. Answer is Neeta. Last one, snake case variable. In this, each word in variable is separated by an underscore. Each word in variable is separated by underscore. See one example. You can take first variable is my name is. You can give any variable Rajesh. Print my underscore name underscore is. So here there are three words, my, name and is. All three words are separated with character, that is of underscore. So this type of variable is called as snake case variable. So this is the second part, right? So what we learned, variables are case sensitive, and there are three different types of variables: camel case, Pascal case and snake case variable. So in this video we learn how to define variables, how to declare variable names, right? There are few points. So variable names always start with character or underscore. Variables are case sensitive and we cannot use keywords as a place of variable. Thank you.